How to change password and security settings. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, you will see the password option with an edit button. Tap on it, enter your current password, then enter your new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After that, tap on the Save button to update your password. For security settings, tap on the Security Question option and then Edit. Select your preferred security question, enter your answer, and hit the Save button to complete the process. It's a good idea to update your password regularly to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Also, make sure your security question is something only you would know to enhance account protection. Now you know how to change password and security settings on People per Hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.